Maximum safety. Keeping in mind the safety of your child, the Dream On Me Travel Lite Mini Foam Playmat is phthalate lead-free and meets the Federal Flammability Standard 16 CFR 1632. Peace of mind for you. To create a completely safe, healthy indoor environment for your playful little one, this must-have playmat is Greenguard Gold certified. Easy portability. The Dream On Me Travel Lite Mini Foam Playmat with round corner can be easily carried anywhere indoors for your child to experience adventurous playtimes. Easy to maintain. With a waterproof cover that is easy to clean with mild soap-warm water, this playmat requires extremely low maintenance. Product specs. Product dimensions are 29-inch L x 19.5 W x 3H, with a weight of 3 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Fits the Dream On Me Travel Lite crib and does the job. Slightly smaller than the crib, but not enough for me to worry since my daughter is old enough to not get herself stuck. I think it's overpriced, as are all crib mattresses, but it's lightweight and definitely more cushion/bounce to it than the flat cardboard mattress that comes with the crib. We use it in our trailer and it's done excellent so far. My daughter is 20 months, about 21 pounds and around 32 inches tall, so she just barely has enough room to lay down completely flat, but she hasn't seemed to mind. I would recommend this, especially since it's such a pain to find a mattress for smaller cribs.